Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sylvia Fitri from class TPS 6C. Today, I will explain about literature-based teaching solution. Okay, from several articles, I found a problem in listening class. As we know that listening is one of important skill that students should have learned in learning language, such as learning English. But to be good in listening is not easy. This cannot be separated from the influences of listening in constructing students' vocabulary. I found in the article when listening class, most of students said that their difficulties were related to the limitation of vocabulary. Students have lack of vocabulary in listening class, so make the student difficult to understand what the speaker say when listening class. Okay, to solve the problem, I suggest to use poetry to help students to increase their vocabulary. According to Fan, literary can be an effective way to enhance student ability in classroom. It also helps memory about words in their mind, like songs and poetry. Poetry helps students better on their learning process in English. Poetry can be serve a good tool for teaching and learning vocabulary. By using poetry to teaching vocabulary in the classroom, students will feel more enjoyable, encouraging, motivating, exciting, and interesting to follow the learning. Using poetry in the classroom is a good way to teach vocabulary because the lexis in poetry has many possible meanings. This gives the student the chance to learn more words, synonyms or antonym for the same word. Okay, this is example of poetry with the title My Mom and My Love. Step teaching vocabulary using poetry. The first, teacher will give a poetry to the student, like I said before, like example of poetry with the title My Mom, My Love. After that, teacher asks the student to read the poetry. After read the poetry, teacher asks student to understand what the meaning from the poetry. And then teacher also asks the student to to understand what the meaning from the poetry and ask if the student if there is an unknown vocabulary. If the student don't know the meaning from the poetry, student can ask the teacher and find what the meaning. So by student try to understand the meaning from the poetry, student find the difficult word and student will try to find the meaning from the difficult word. It can increase and add the vocabulary from the student. And teacher also can give the student some card that content of vocabulary related to the poetry. And then teacher can ask the student to arrange the card to make a poetry from the card. For example, my mom always in my heart. So I think by using the card, student will memorize about the vocabulary. Student will easy to memorize the vocabulary by using this card. By using the card that contain of some vocab in this card, and ask the student to arrange the card to make a poetry. In conclusion, using poetry in classroom has a great influence on improving student vocabulary. Poetry has a great influence regarding pedagogical value, language skill, cultural understanding, and motivation dimension. Integrating poetry in the language classroom helps students to improve their understanding of vocabulary, as poetry encourages students link between the word and its meaning. Furthermore, using poetry in the classroom motivates students to learn because poetry uses the beautiful word. By using poetry, students will participate in the learning and enjoy their learning English. By using poetry to teach vocabulary, it can make students to be able to accept or receive the lesson because they feel enjoy and with the situation and make class more comfortable. So, by using the poetry, students not only can increase their vocabulary but also make the student more creative by make a poetry. Okay, I think that's it from my explanation. Thank you for your attention and I'm sorry for my mistake. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.